Hey, out here at our job in Roseville that we poured concrete at yesterday, so take a quick look. See, all the joints are tight. Get over here, we can kind of see the finish. We're doing synthetic turf over there in that pocket area, and we're just going to finish this one out. We're doing professional grade weed barrier in all the planter areas, and yeah, I think that's what we're doing for this one. They're going to do plants and stuff in the second phase, but yeah, concrete looks awesome. Joints are all super tight. Everything looks great.